Come along with CME Traveling today. So, let me show you where we're at today. This place is absolutely beautiful. Yeah, it's truly an understatement. Yeah. Let me flip this around. Make sure I get my footing right here. Don't hit anything. Yes. Look at this place. It's Ocean Cay, or Ocean Cay. Getting everything ready for everybody to be able to go onto the island. The lighthouse, and it does light up. You get to see that tonight. Now that breakfast is over, let's head down to Ocean Cay for our excursion. Hey, we signed up for a nice little tour ahead, so I can't wait to share that here on Ocean Cay or Key?
Ocean Cay.
Ocean Cay, okay. With MSC Meraviglia. Be back soon. We were told that Ocean Cay is the correct way. Yeah, you're looking towards Benemy. She said it was about 20 miles. We're at our first stop, first ledge. Overlook. See the shadow.
I can't remember what it was.
It's okay. Maybe when we go
It was a dumb question.
Before we head up, a little bit about Ocean Cay. Okay, so in 2015, MSC went out and sought to invest in the Bahamas, and they stumbled across this key right here, which was known as Sandy Cay. So this was just sand. Also, they used to dig for aragonite, which was in high demand many years ago. Aragonite is a carbonate mineral which they use to make glass, television screens, laptop screens, microchips, anything to do with that sort. Also, the sand from this beach was used to replenish some beaches in the Bahamas and some parts of Florida as well. And if you was wondering, this is actually part of.
Was this part man-made right where we are?
Where we're standing right now,
Yeah.
on this land?
Yeah.
No.
Okay, this was natural.
Yes.
Okay.
Alright. My name is Tori Sullivan, and I am the Lighthouse guide at Ocean Cay. I'd just like to ask you guys to please like and subscribe at CME Traveling.
You got it, Tori. Tori, you got it. Thank you very much. And y'all come see Tori. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, we still got more to go. You can see the jet skis. So nice. a little winded, but once you make it to the top, you gotta have a picture together. So 165 steps later, and this is the view you'll get. Look at the snorkeling.
Oh yeah, I know how to do that, I think. Yeah, so that's closer up. I guess I can take it. I don't know.
How clear it is. You see all the way to the bottom. And there'll be a party out in here tonight. See the lights? That'll come into play a little later on tonight. So she told us that out there, little islands. Get my finger out of the way to focus better. Anyway, that is some of the scrap and stuff that was on this island. They took out there, buried it around. There's a dark spot just to the left of the first island that you can see, and that is a ship. So hopefully to bring in some marine life. This is a great excursion to do on Ocean Cay, as you can only get some of these pictures and videos from the Lighthouse tour. I recommend anyone doing it. It was just 18 bucks. Excellent service here at the Ocean Cay Lighthouse Bar. Walking to the lighthouse, you gotta have some water. After you go up the lighthouse, then you can have your drink here at the bar.
Or an EMT.
Or an EMT, yes. Yeah. Very nice. And it's not even 10 a.m. yet. Here's some pictures that Marcia took around the Lighthouse Bar. As I stated earlier, I hope you stick around to the end for the Lighthouse Light Show. The Ocean Cay Lighthouse Bar area was a great place to just hang out. There was a great breeze. Hardly anybody was there. I recommend anyone just going over, sitting, especially in the evening. It would have been really good. We didn't get to go back there, but looking forward to. And here's a sample of the Lighthouse Show.
hope you take a moment to hit the like button. We invite you also to check out some of our other videos.